Alright guys, so usually if you watch the channel you know that I'm usually on the dumb end of the sawmill, which means I'm usually the one taking the boards and the ties and the pallet cans off. Well, I've talked him into teaching me how to run a head saw, and I've been learning. I started yesterday evening and he showed me, and then this morning I've been doing a little bit. Not doing too hot, but I'm learning. But sawmill chickens. Anyway, so y'all sit down and let's learn how to run this head saw together. Sitting here in the saw cab, we've got this lever here. It brings the carriage back and forth. This lever here operates a log turner, brings it up, down, and then you move it this way to turn the chain. We've got our foot pedals to run the load, unload, start, stop, whatever the heck it's called. And then we got this that does the green chain on the log deck. And then this is our set works here. This is forward, backwards. This is our board, inch and quarter set. This is a 2-inch set. This here works our dogs. This is undogging. This will dog it. This will raise your dogs up. This will raise it down, or what is that hell, I don't know. And then go from there. Over here, these buttons operate our toe board to put taper in the log. And let's get to sawing. Yeah, I think.
He had some though.
Yeah.
Some of them tapered on you.
What'd they measure out at? I was going for 6x6.
Yeah.
That's pretty dang near on that way. A little off here.
Look at your tape. Look at this thing. See it? Just a little.
Oh, taper, yeah. So it's 5.5 here. And it's dead on 6 here.
What about the other way? Good.
It's good here. 6.25.
We'll give him a little discount on this month. Of this rough thing.
Yeah.